So here is a short video on how to properly change the battery on your Volvo SPA key. So let's start by looking at this side. You have this pull tab which you pull, and then you can slide one of the sides of the cover forward and it pops off. Here you have your spare key and explanations on what the keys does and if they have a second function. For example, you can long press this middle key to globally open all the windows. Yeah, just a neat trick. And to get the other side of the cover off, you pull this tab and then move that one forward and it pops off, which reveals the battery door. I'm going to use my ruler here because it has a nice shape to just unlock it. There we go. That reveals the CR2030 battery, which you can just pop out and you replace it with your new one. And the plus side goes downwards, and you want the battery to go underneath these two pins up here, and it's gonna catch on this plastic there so it stays in place. Put the door back on. Screw it to the closed position. Take your cover, slide it backwards, and the same with the other cover. And it is done. That's how you change the battery. Thank you for watching.